Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different ideas of decoration of Christmas cookies. To decorate Christmas cookies, here are some steps that you can follow. Number 1. Prepare cookie dough. Choose a cookie recipe and prepare the dough according to instructions. Chill the dough before rolling and cutting shapes. Number 2. Rolling and cutting. Roll out the dough on a floored surface to a consistent thickness. Use festive cookie cutters to cut out shapes. Place cutouts on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Number 3. Baking. Bake cookies according to the recipe and let them cool completely before decorating. Number 4. Royal icing. Prepare royal icing using confectioner's sugar, add white and flavoring. Divide into bowls and add food coloring for desired hues. Number 5. Outline and flood. Use thicker icing to outline the cookie edges. Thin the icing for flooding by adding water gradually. Fill the outlined cookie with the thinned icing. Marbling and swirling. Create marbled effects by dropping different colored icing onto wet flooded areas and swirling with a toothpick. Number 7. Piping details. Fill a piping bag with thicker icing to add intricate details like snowflakes, lines, dots, sprinkles, and edible decorations. While the icing is wet and festive sprinkles, edible glitter designs and techniques. Have fun decorating your Christmas cookies. Popular colors and shapes for Christmas cookies often include: first colors, red and green. Classic Christmas color symbolizes holly berries and evergreen trees. Number 2. White, often used for snow or as a base for intricate designs. Number 3. Gold and silver, elegant metallic accents for a touch of sophistication. Shapes. Christmas trees. Triangles or tree-shaped cookies are iconic symbols of the season. Number 2. Snowflake. Delicate and intricate snowflake shapes are perfect for a winter woodland theme. Number 3. Stars. Simple and versatile stars are a popular choice for decorating. Number 4. Gingerbread people. Traditional gingerbread men or women decorated with colorful icing. Number 5. Ornaments. Round or bulb-shaped cookies with colorful icing and designs. Reminiscent for holidays ornaments. Number 6. Stockings and Santa hats, representing festive attire. These shapes are fun and recognizable. Number 7. Candy cans. Classic red and white strips or creative variations make for a sweet treat. Number 8. Bell-shaped cookies with icing details for a charming touch. Feel free to combine colors and shapes to create a diverse assortment of festive cookies for the holiday season. The enjoyment of different Christmas cookies can vary based on personal preferences and taste. Here's a brief overview of the enjoyment factors for some popular Christmas cookies. Number 1. Sugar cookies, enjoyable for their simplicity and versatility. They serve as a canvas for creative decorations and can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Number 2. Gingerbread cookies, loved for their warm, spiced flavor. Gingerbread cookies often have a slightly chewy texture and are commonly decorated with icing. Number 3. Peppermint bark cookies, enjoyed to their refreshing peppermint flavor combined with rich chocolate. The currently texture adds to the delight. Number 4. Snickerdoodles, popular for their cinnamon sugar coating and soft chewy interior. They have a comforting and nostalgic appeal. Number 5. Linzer cookies, enjoyed for their delicate almond flavor and fruity sweetness of the jam's filling. The intricate designs add to the visual appeal. Number 6. Chocolate chip cookies, classic and universally loved. These cookies can be made festive by adding red and green chocolate chip or holiday-themed sprinkles. Thumbprint cookies, enjoyable for their versatility in fillings such as jams or chocolate. The indentation adds a unique touch. Shortbread cookies, loved for their buttery and crumbly texture. They can be shaped into various forms and are often enjoyed plain or with a light dusting of powdered sugar. Ultimate the enjoyment of cookies depend on personal taste preferences. Experiment with different recipes and sharing with loved ones can enhance the joy of the holiday season. Hope you have found the idea for this Christmas. Must share what type of cookies you will make in this Christmas. Till then, take care and bye bye.